Today we are reviewing Luca, an exciting website that makes creating stunning logos and branding designs effortlessly. We will explore its versatile platform and create some excellent logo ideas. Finally, I will share my honest opinion with you, so let's get started. Hey there, I am Natalie and I'm thrilled to bring you this review of looka.com. Now, before we begin, let's talk about what Luca offers and who can benefit from it. Luca is a comprehensive online logo and branding design platform that caters to business, startups, freelancers, and anyone else in need of professional design solutions. It's a fantastic tool for entrepreneurs, marketers, and designers who want to create high-catching logos without any prior design experience. Alright, let's get down to business and walk through the step-by-step process of creating a logo on Luca. To start, head over to looka.com and click on the Get Started button. You will be asked to enter your company name or a tagline. Step number 2, you will be prompted to select your industry or niche from a wide range of options, and this helps Luca understand your business and tailor the design options accordingly. Luca will generate some initial logo designs based on my input. Step number 3 is where the magic takes place. Luca generates a vast array of logo designs for you to browse through. You can easily scroll through the options or use the filters to narrow down your choices based on your style, color, and more. Step number 4. Once you've found a design that catches your eye, you can further customize it. Luca provides a user-friendly editor where you can tweak the color palette, font styles, and layout to match your brand's personality. You can pick some symbols types from these categories: fitness, exercise, and so on. I go with fitness, continue, and instantly Luca will generate these beautiful logo designs for you to browse through. Let's imagine I like this. Luca allows you to customize the layout, color palette. You can define other colors. You can generate additional ideas. You can replace the letter. We have 40 font choices. We can also customize the background color, the name, the slogan, and the container. There are at the moment 28 containers, and you can use it to further customize your logo design. Once you are satisfied with your logo design, Luca offers different pricing plans to download high-resolution files. Luca offers 3 distinct pricing plans to cater to different branding needs. The basic logo package, priced at $20, provides one single file without transparency, granting you full commercial usage rights. It's a great choice if you are on a budget and looking for a straightforward logo design. The premium logo package, priced at $65, offers a significant upgrade with additional features. Alongside the high-resolution logo files, you receive vector APS and SVG files, enabling you to scale and edit your design as needed. And for those seeking a more comprehensive package, Luca offers Enterprise Logo Package, $96. And this package builds upon the premium logo package by adding business card design files, stationery design files, including letterhead and envelope designs, and favicon files for your website. So, after exploring the ins and outs of Luca, what's my final verdict? Well, I must say, it's a game changer in the world of logo design. The platform, user-friendly interface, vast library of designs, and extensive customization options make it an ideal choice for business all sizes. Luca saves you time and money, as you won't need to hire a professional designer to create a captivating logo. And with this website, you have the power to bring your brand vision to life with just a few clicks. Well, that wraps up my review of looka.com. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting reviews and tips for creatives. I suggest you watch this upcoming video you are viewing on the screen. I picked myself for you. Thanks for watching.